Hey Glam fam, welcome to my Beauty with Judy video. I'm going to be doing a series. I promised you things that you can do at home in between your spa treatments to level up your anti-aging game. As you know, many of you came to our pro-aging party. We launched the If You Know You Glow kit. We have it here. I'm going to be going step by step, showing you how easy it is to glow on the go or glow at home, or if you just want to glow before you're going somewhere special. Or if you just have a buildup of dead skin, you haven't been able to get to the spa, and you want to get similar spa-like results at home. In your kit, you're going to get a little If You Glow You Know direction sheet. Obviously, step one is to have a cleansed face. You want a clean palette. I use the Max&Muffin Crantea cleanser, followed with the toner and the clean skin towels. I am addicted to clean skin towels. If you know, you know. If you try them, you will never go without them. Step one is actually the exfoliation part. This is where the magic happens. Think of little Pac-Mans. They're going to eat off all the dead skin and reveal a brighter complexion. I like to use a brush, and you're going to apply it all over, a very thin coat, avoiding your eye area. A little goes a long way. You're going to leave it on 5 to 7 minutes. Don't go past 7 minutes. If you feel tingling, it means you had a lot of dead skin to remove. If you don't feel tingling, that does not mean it's not working. Timer went off, so now it's time to remove. I like to wet a clean skin towel and then just simply remove it. Already, my skin looks brighter. I just went to visit my aunt, who's 101. I will include a picture of her too. I gotta keep up. This skin's gotta last me at least 40 more years. Step two is the oxygen mask. Put it on. Thin coat. This kit is 125, and you're gonna get a minimum of 3 treatments. My oxygen mask is doing its work. You can feel it bubbling and you can feel it oxygenating. The bubbles are what drive moisture back into the skin. Leave this on till it stops activating. Okay, now that I'm done, another clean skin towel. Also, I take this mask everywhere with me when I travel, because after you've been on a plane, it's just wonderful. It brings life back into your skin. Step 3 is our new lifting and contouring serum. As of now, you can only get it inside this kit. I need your feedback, and I need to know if you love it as much as I do. I put it in a jar so you can get every last bit. So you're going to apply this all over, massage it in. I'm all done, and I have a glow, and I'm ready to go. You're going to love it, I promise.